Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on ALBT. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about ALBT. Now, ALBT is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. It's very overlooked, and I think it has a lot of upside potential. I could see this crypto doing 100x in the next run. But I'm going to share a massive thread with you today explaining everything about ALBT. I'm also going to show you a lot of the big partnerships. And we've seen all the building going on during the entire bear market, yet no price action on ALBT. That's how I know when this market turns around, ALBT is going to shock a lot of people. So this thread comes from Wawuda. And I'm going to start with this. Allianceblock is a highly flexible architecture comprised of interconnected layers that connect stakeholders, regulators, and technology to enable communication and compliance in a structured and cost-effective manner. Now you look at this, and this is that massive network I always talk about on this channel that we get to watch get built from the ground up because we're so early into crypto. And that tells me that ALBT is going to explode in price at some point. But again, it's overlooked because of the price being so stagnant right now because the whole market looks bad right now. The Prometheus Protocol serves as the communication bridge and will be comprised of three key layers to facilitate multi-directional data flow in a traceable, accountable, and regulated manner compliant with global, national, and local jurisdictions. Now, regulations are coming into crypto. They're going to be fast-tracked after what happened with FTX. I feel ALBT is going to be here for the long term. It's going to pass all of those regulations. Data governance to ensure that all data collected, processed, and disseminated is completely compliant with regulatory requirements, both the privacy of the users and transparency of transactions comply with the various regulations across the entirety of the protocol. Data is going to be huge in the future. Year over year, it's going to gain value. Cross-border regulatory compliance to ensure integration with existing legal and regulatory structures worldwide. The protocol ensures complete regulatory oversight, legal recourse by regulatory bodies, and upgradability of smart contracts logistics by regulatory approval. Security, issuance, and life cycle to ensure compliant tokenization of digital securities into digitized securities. The driving philosophy behind Prometheus Protocol is to ensure compliance from step one instead of as an afterthought or a slap-on. They're taking their time and they're building it out right, so there's no problems in the future. Why digitization of assets? Simplified and regulated trading of assets across jurisdictions, unlocking markets and opportunities for both issuers and subscribers. Tokenization of assets, unlocking the potential of bankable and non-bankable assets. Tokenization is going to be huge. And we see now that we're headed into the fourth industrial revolution. Everything is going digital. Digitization is going to be a massive industry very soon. Use cases enable communication between participants, whitelisting entities, investing in issued securities, secondary trading of securities, automated corporate actions, request reversal of transactions compliant with AML norms. Ecosystem. Allianceblock is building an ecosystem with strong legal partners to attract major actors and institutional investors. They have many partnerships with other protocols, banks, financial institutions, and organizations. Now, we're so early into crypto, we beat the institutional money here. That's why we're getting these cryptos at cheap prices right now. And then you take a look at the Allianceblock ecosystem. This right here tells me that there's going to be a ton of value in this crypto very soon. So you see, TradeFi Capital, private banks, investment banks, wealth managers, asset managers, stock exchanges, sovereign funds, mutual funds, pension funds, credit unions. legal and compliance, independent law firms, reg tech and legal tech, auditing firms, regulatory advisors. Then you take a look at DeFi, stablecoins, P2P lending, data oracles, yield and liquidity farming, insurance, DEX, derivatives, prediction markets, NFT markets, fintech providers, KYC, AML, custodial services, payment gateways, TradeFi platforms. Allianceblock is one of those cryptocurrencies. It's hard to see what's about to happen. You really have to have vision for what's about to come. And I can see ALBT being an easy 100x in the next run. Participants, financial institutions, data processors, legal compliance entities, bookkeeping entities, fintech, issuers, investor entities, DeFi protocols. ISO 222 compliant. Once ALBT connects multiple financial institutions through their protocol, they will be compliant with this norm. So even though it doesn't make the list yet, it will be ISO 222 compliant. That's another reason I invest in these ISO coins. I know they're part of that new financial system. Every one of them has to have a high stable value to be utilized, in my opinion. Tokenomics, total supply 1 billion ALBT, circulating supply 0.46 billion. 45% ecosystem treasury and liquidity mining, 15% nodes, 10% seeds, 9% teams, 6% advisors, 5% partners, 5% Allianceblock fund, 4% private sale, 1% initial liquidity. And now we're going to talk about partnerships. And these partnerships are the right partnerships, in my opinion. Quant is one of their partners. The partnership allows Allianceblock to offer Quant Network's over-ledger solution to blockchain and non-blockchain companies. To unlock the power of blockchain for everyone, Quant will deliver interoperability ecosystems and real-world solutions that work easy. Now, that right there tells me I'm invested in the right cryptocurrency. We all know where Q&T is going in the future. ALBT is going to be just as big in the future, in my opinion. And right now, it's being overlooked. London Stock Exchange. LSEG's partner platform offers Allianceblock access to unique market resources and providing institutional members the ability to have direct market access to Allianceblock's protocol. NatWest is considered one of the big four clearing banks in the UK, and it has a large network of over 960 branches and 3,400 cash machines across Great Britain. Today, it has more than 7.5 million personal customers and 850,000 small business accounts. That is huge. Chainlink. Allianceblock will integrate Chainlink oracles into the Allianceblock protocol. In addition to integrating Chainlink into the Allianceblock protocol, Allianceblock will connect Chainlink with top-tier traditional finance entities and exchanges. You see what's going on here? A massive network forming. ALBT partnered with Chainlink, partnered with Q&T, forming a massive network. Databricks is the leader in cloud-based data. Databricks is used for processing and transforming massive quantities of data. The data architecture of Allianceblock's data tunnel itself was done together with Databricks. That's going to add value year over year to ALBT. Dua.com is changing the way global communities will connect by providing the next generation mobile platform, which includes matchmaking and payment services. Dua.com will also use Allianceblock's Funders platform. That's another big partnership. OpenWealth. The OpenWealth Association aims to define, maintain, and operationalize the Open Application Programming Interface standard for the global wealth management community, allowing for more seamless sharing of financial information between institutions. And once all that money starts pouring through this network, these cryptocurrencies are going to be high valued. Clay is a San Francisco-based agency with a track record in industry-leading and award-winning UI/UX design. Clay's past clients include Google, Coinbase, Facebook, Amazon, and Coca-Cola. Allianceblock will benefit greatly from Clay's help in creating a smooth design. And the partnerships are key partnerships. They're not just, simple partnerships. These are partnerships that are actually going to bring value. Conclusion. Although we only treated part of the partners, it looks very promising. I am personally very much looking forward to how Allianceblock will connect TradeFi and DeFi through these partnerships. Each collaboration has its own goal within the ecosystem. And this is just getting started. We are so early on ALBT. A lot of people believe we have until 2024. I think things are going to turn around at the beginning of next year. I feel that Ripple winning the lawsuit against the SEC can actually spark the next major run. And if it does, ALBT will move in value, and it will continue to move. ISO is going live in March. A lot of big things are going to happen in crypto. Make sure you're holding the right cryptocurrencies. I wanted to give a full layout of ALBT in case new investors are looking at investing in ALBT. They could see what it's all about. And I see the value in it, where other people still try to tell me, I don't see ALBT being as big as that. Come on. I believe ALBT is going to be all as big, if not bigger, than QNT in the future. We'll have to wait and see. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.